Hello, all you blood pressure warriors. In this video, I'm going to reveal the 6 high blood pressure risk factors you cannot control. There's several reasons that people experience high blood pressure. They could have an illness that causes high blood pressure, or they could be voluntarily living a lifestyle that causes high blood pressure. But sometimes people get high blood pressure for reasons beyond their control. And that's what this video is all about. Here's 6 factors that could result in a person having high blood pressure that is totally beyond their control. Number 1, age. High blood pressure affects people of all ages. The older you are, the higher the risk. As we get older, our blood vessels become less flexible. And this is caused by plaque buildup along the walls of blood vessels, known as atherosclerosis. This makes it harder for blood to flow through them. The heart has to work harder, and this causes blood pressure to rise. Number 2, gender. Gender is another factor that has an influence. In general, men have a higher risk of high blood pressure than women. One reason for this is that women have more estrogen, and estrogen is believed to keep blood vessels relaxed and open. It can also regulate cholesterol levels. As a result, once women reach menopause, their risk of hypertension increases. Number 3, family and medical history. High blood pressure is believed to be caused by a mixture of factors. Genes certainly have an influence. If close family members have high blood pressure, risk increases. This is especially true if close male relatives had it before age 55 or if female relatives had it before age 65. If you have certain genetic diseases, the risk also goes up. Examples include polycystic kidney disease and heart problems you had since birth. Number 4, ethnicity. Ethnic background can also play a role when it comes to high blood pressure. African Americans have the highest rates of hypertension of all American groups. This may also be due to unique genetics. They might have higher rates of a gene that lowers salt tolerance. They also have higher rates of diabetes and obesity. These are major risk factors for high blood pressure. Hypertension in African Americans can be more severe than in white people. It can also develop at an earlier age. Hispanic Americans are another group of high rates of high blood pressure. Cardiovascular disease is a huge problem for Hispanic Americans. It causes more deaths than cancer. American Indians and natives of Alaska also have a high chance of developing hypertension. This is due to greater obesity rates and higher rates of smoking. Number 5, personal circumstances. High blood pressure is more common among certain societal groups. For example, it affects poor people at higher rates. This can be due to less access to medical resources. They won't get the same quality of care as other groups. For example, they might not have access to medications that lower blood pressure. They also may not be as educated. This means they may not be aware of the signs or severity of high blood pressure. Pre-existing medical conditions. Number 6, pre-existing medical conditions also open the door to high blood pressure, and this is known as secondary hypertension. Thyroid, kidney, or adrenal gland issues can increase the risk of high blood pressure. For some women, certain birth control pills can raise high blood pressure. Pregnancy can also cause high blood pressure. This is called gestational hypertension and should be treated. If the condition causing high blood pressure is dealt with, blood pressure will lower too. Even though you can't control these risk factors that cause high blood pressure, you can definitely control what you do about them. Eat healthy foods that you cook at home. Cut out salt, canned food, or processed foods that are loaded with sodium. Drink more water and less coffee. Exercise regularly, and take your blood pressure medications if your doctor has prescribed them. Okay, thank you for watching this video. And if you suffer from high blood pressure like I do, hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon on the bottom left of this video so that I can notify you whenever we release another healthy blood pressure video. Have a happy and healthy day.